Okay, hello, good afternoon. I'm Caldentey. I am the CEO of NuMat Medtech. We are a company that develops coating for bone implants. Okay, do you know the cost of joint replacement revisions for the US Medicare? Well, it was more than 500 million during 2009 and is expected to be more than 1.6 billion in 2020. Do you know the rate of these replacements is between 16 and 18%? And the main cause is infections. Infections is one of the main problems for the orthopedic implant market. It's a huge market that had sales of more than 21 billion during 2016, until the market where we want to focus on. But also the dental implant market that is facing two problems. Patients that are excluded from implant therapy because some diseases like osteoporosis or diabetes, and also perimplantitis, that is one infection that affects the dental implant market. It's also a huge market with more than 4.7 billion in sales during 2017, and we want to focus on both markets, trying to license our products to dental and orthopedic implant manufacturers. We have two products. The first coating is the 973, that is based on a natural molecule called flavonoid, and also the 977, that is also coating based on phytate, also a natural molecule. Both coatings provide osseointegration, that is a key property for the implant, for the implants, and also the decrease of bacterial adhesion. So, if you look at the positioning of NuMat, these are the other solutions that are present in the market, and we want to be the first-in-class product that offers cost-effectivity coating combined with multifunctional activity of our coatings, combining osseointegration with the reduction of infection, but also for the 973 we can provide soft tissue integration and anti-inflammatory effect that is very important for the dental market. So our technologies are worldwide protected in the key markets, and this is our team. We are 3 people in the management team, and we have the support of our board of directors and the scientific advisory board and our investors that will help us to finance and develop this plan. We have 3 agreements with 2 Swiss implant manufacturers and with 1 US coating company. We have designed a first phase of plan, after which we will have some milestone that we will be able to know if these companies are going to license our technologies or not. So for the whole development plan, we need 1.4 million that will be used in R&D, human resources, IP, and other expenses. So I think it's a good opportunity for you to invest in NuMat. Maybe because we are very close to the market, we have the interest of key market players, and also we can be the first in class to offer a product that solve the problem of infections, or at least reduce the rate of revision. So we are an early stage company that we need to add value to the company, maybe with the help of the investors, and trying to define a good exit strategy that could be the sell to a coating manufacturer or an implant manufacturer. So thank you. I'm Caldentey. I'm here for sharing with you NuMat and explain you whatever you need. Thank you.
Are you planning to license this technology to one of those companies, or are you planning to bring this product to the market based on your own efforts? What's the plan?
The plan is to license the technology to some of these companies, because we have their interest, because if they are going to license this, they will need to invest a lot of money being the manufacturers of the coating. So we think that is a good strategy for us to find a way to license the products.
And how close are you to first in man in time and in money?
To
first in man, to finish the preclinical stage?
Yes, well, in the Q2 of 2019, we'll be able to know if these companies are going or not to continue with the preclinical. So we think that here we can start to define potential licensing agreement with a co-development plan. After this, maybe we will not require to do the clinical studies, so we could finish here the investment for the company.
Just to add on here, what's the typical approximate licensing deal for a coating for implants? Can you elaborate on that a bit?
Yes, well, we will try to structure in a licensing fee that we know that can move between 500 and 3 million euros, and then a royalty that is moving between 3 and 6% over the cost, or the weight of the coating over the whole selling price.
We spoke about this a little bit this morning, but what are the other competitors? Where are they with respect to your coating?
Yes. Well, these are one kind of coatings that are very costly because they use raw materials that are cost like growth factors, or in this case the silver. So we are cost effective because we use quite easy to obtain raw materials, and our process to fix the coating to the implant is very easy and scalable. So any of these provide post-integration that it's any of these provide post-integration that is quite key for the market. And these products only provide one property, that is post-integration or mechanical properties in the case of the metallic alloys.
For orthopedics market, you're not touching the orthopedic market, right?
Yes, it's our market. Orthopedic and dental.
Orthopedic and dental.
Both markets. Well, indeed, the Swiss company is planning to coat the hip implant.
Given that this is almost a prophylactic application, so how long do your trials need to be in order to demonstrate benefit?
Yes, well, we have done all the preclinical studies, but not regulatory, because we test only on titanium. So what we have done biocompatibility, we have done biological testing. But now what this company requires is to test our technology on their implants, because they have another kind of porosity, or maybe they have another kind of metal alloy. Indeed, we are going to test in chromium cobaltum alloy.
All right. So we'll take that last question.
Yeah. Have you heard about a company called NB Molecule?
NB Molecule. No?
NB.
NB? It's a coating company?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.